Before buying Housecall Pro, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're considering this software for your small business or looking to switch from another platform, understanding its features can make all the difference. Stick around till the end to discover some exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere. First, Housecall Pro is a powerful service management software designed for home service businesses. If you're familiar with competitors like Jobber or Service Titan, you'll immediately notice Housecall Pro's user-friendly interface and pricing structure that's geared toward small to mid-sized businesses. It's all-in-one software that handles scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and even customer management in one place, so you won't have to juggle multiple tools. Next, the mobile app is a game changer. Housecall Pro's mobile app is designed for service technicians on the go. Unlike some of its competitors, it allows you to manage your entire workflow, appointments, invoices, payments, and customer communication directly from your phone. It's easy to use, which is key when your field staff isn't tech savvy. And unlike other platforms that offer limited mobile features, Housecall Pro's app is fully integrated, meaning you won't lose out on essential features when you're off your desktop. The third thing to know is about the pricing. Housecall Pro's pricing can seem a bit higher than some competitors, but here's the thing, you get a lot of value for that price. While platforms like Jobber and Service Titan might offer lower entry prices, they tend to scale quickly, which means you end up paying more as you grow. Housecall Pro offers tiered pricing that grows with your business. If you're just starting out, you can get the basic plan for a reasonable price, and as your business expands, you can easily scale up without feeling like you're constantly paying more for features you don't need yet. Moving on, one thing that really stands out about Housecall Pro is its customer support. While other competitors like Service Titan sometimes have a reputation for offering difficult to access support, Housecall Pro is known for its responsive and helpful customer service. Whether you need assistance setting up or troubleshooting on the go, you'll get timely help, something that really sets them apart in the competitive service management software market. Next, let's talk about automations. If you're looking to save time, you'll appreciate Housecall Pro's automated workflows. The platform automates a range of tasks like appointment reminders, confirmations, and follow-ups. This reduces the amount of administrative work and ensures that your customers always get the communication they need. This level of automation can reduce no-shows and missed appointments, something many other competitors struggle with. The sixth thing you should know is about its integrations. Housecall Pro integrates with tools like QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and Stripe. While some competitors may have more integrations available, Housecall Pro covers the essentials for most small businesses. It also allows for easy syncing with third-party apps, which is crucial for streamlining your business processes. Whether you need accounting software or payment processors, Housecall Pro works with the tools that businesses like yours already use. Finally, let's talk about the free trial. If you're on the fence about whether Housecall Pro is the right choice for your business, you can try it out completely free. This is a great opportunity to get a feel for the software without any risk and see if it fits your business model. Plus, when you sign up through the first link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive set of benefits that other users won't get, so don't miss out. If you're looking for a software solution that's both affordable and feature-packed, with excellent mobile support and strong customer service, Housecall Pro might be the right fit. And remember, if you want to give it a shot, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and access some exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere.